guys, and it's raining like crazy, and it's kind of flooding. Our neighbors' thing is flooding. It's our driveway is not, but there is like flooding like crazy. Look at that. I feel bad for that car. Look at it. It's so crazy. I don't know if you guys can see, but to me it's like crazy. It's like twirling in circles. And it's thundering. It's pretty awesome. This is what happens in Canada. This is what happens in Canada. Rain, snow, maybe floods. It's just like raining like crazy. Like, look at that. Look at my window. This is ringtone.
Guys hungry?
No. No, I don't know.
Unsubscribe to Bungalow.
Shut up, Riley. No, keep subscribing. Subscribe. Like the video. Comment. My brother is being stupid. Okay? And I don't know if it's flooding as much. It's flooding not as much now, I think. Okay, so bye guys, and see you next video. And like I just said like 2 seconds ago. Bye!